this is the second part of chapter 8, that is simple interest and compound interest, and in this part we are going to start from question number 6 of exercise 8a. So question number 6, at what rate percent per annum will rupees 1625 amount to rupees 2080 in 3.5 years? So given principal is rupees 1625, the time is given as 3 by 2, that is 3 to the 6 plus 1, 7 by 2 years. Amount is equals to rupees 2080. So from the amount and principal we can find out the simple interest. That is simple interest equals to amount minus principal. That is equal to rupees 2080 minus 1625, which is equals to rupees 455. In the question, we have to find the rate of interest. So let the rate of interest be our percent. So the formula for rate of interest is equals to simple interest, that is SI into 100 divided by P into T. So my SI is 455 into 100 and divided by principal, that is 1625, into time, that is 7 by 2. So this 2 is the 2 in the denominator will be the numerator. So the 2 in the denominator it will come to the numerator. So now we have the equation as 455 into 100 into 2 divided by 1625 into 7. So solving this, we will get the answer as 8%. So the rate of interest is equal to 8% per annum. Now moving on to the next question, question number 8. At what rate percent of simple interest will a sum of money double itself in 12 years? So here neither the principal is given nor the interest rate is given. Only this time period is mentioned as 12 years. So let us first assume that the principal is rupees X. As it is said that the sum will get doubled, so that means the amount is equals to 2x. So now simple interest is equals to amount minus principal, that is 2x minus x, which is equals to rupees x. The time is given as the time is given as 12 years. Therefore, rate of interest is equals to simple interest into 100 divided by P into T. My simple interest is x into 100 divided by my principal is also x into time, which is 12. So x and x will get cancelled. So we have 100 by 12. So if I divide this by 4, that is in the numerator I'll have 25. In the denominator I'll have 3. That is 25 by 3%, or it can be written in the mixed fraction, that is 81 by 3%. Now to the next question, question number 10. What sum will yield rupees 406 as simple interest in 1 year 2 months at 61 by 4% per annum? Here they have asked us to find out the sum, which is the principal. So let the principal be rupees P. Given simple interest is equals to rupees 406. Time is equals to 1 year 2 months. We can convert the 2 months into year by writing it as 2 by 12. So we have written it in a mixed fraction form, that is 2 by 12. So cancelling 2 and 12, I'll get 1 by 6. So again we can write it as 1 by 6, which is equals to 7 by 6 years. And the rate of interest was given as 61 by 4. Converting it into improper fraction, I'll get 25 by 4%. Therefore, using the formula for principal, which is equal to simple interest into 100 divided by R into T. Simple interest amount is 406 into 100. Now divided by rate, that is 25 by 4. So again the 4 in the denominator will come to the numerator. Again 7 by 6 the time, 6 again in the denominator will come to the numerator. So the equation will be 406 into 100 into 4 into 6 divided by 25 into 7. So solving this, my answer will be rupees 5568. The next question, question number 12. A sum becomes 8 by 5 of itself in 5 years at a certain rate of simple interest. Find the rate of interest. So here neither we have the principal, neither we have the rate of interest mentioned in the question. So let us assume that the principal is rupees P. So the amount it has been said in the question that it is 8 by 5 of the principal. So 8 by 5 into P, and time is given as 5 years. So simple interest formula, that is amount minus principal, is equal to rupees 8P by 5 minus P. That is taking 5 as the LCM, will have 8P minus 5P in the numerator. That is equal to rupees 3P by 5. Now rate of interest formula, which is simple interest into 100 divided by P into T. So now putting the value of simple interest to be 3P by 5 into 100 divided by principal, that is P, into time, that is 5. So P and P will get cancelled. I can cancel this 5 by 100 and this 5 by 100. So in the numerator I'll have 4 into 3, that is equals to 12%. Therefore my rate of interest is 12% per annum. The last question of this part, that is question number 14. If rupees 1250 amount to rupees 1550 in 3 years at simple interest, what will rupees 3200 amount to in 4 years at the same rate? Now in this question we have the principal, we have the amount, and we have the time period. The first thing what we need to do is we have to find the rate of interest. So given principal is rupees 1250, amount is equals to rupees 1550, time is equals to 3 years. So from this amount and principal we can find out the simple interest. So simple interest equals to amount minus principal, that is equals to rupees 1550 minus 1250, that is equal to rupees 300. So rate of interest is equals to simple interest into 100 divided by P into T. So putting it in the formula, we'll put the amounts in the formula, that is simple interest is 300 into 100 divided by principal 1250 into 3, that is number of years. So solving this, my answer will be 8%. So the rate of interest is 8% per annum. Now in the second part of the question, they have said that the sum of money 3200, that is the principal, if at the same rate of interest, that is 8% per annum, is being, I think it's written as lent. So okay, they have to find. They have told us to find the interest for rupees 3200 at 8% per annum for 4 years. So the simple interest is equals to P into R into T by 100. So principal is 3200 into rate is 8 and time is 4 by 100. If I solve this, my simple interest amounts to rupees 1024. So the amount paid after 4 years will be amount equals to principal plus simple interest, that is 3200 plus 1024 is equals to rupees 4224. So that's all for this part. Thank you.